There once was an elephant, big and grey, whose knees so loud he shook the day. Oh no! Choo! When he struck with a mighty blast, the boats all flew away so